Hey, you guys are all on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube.
What's your YouTube name?
Wolverine's Airsoft.
What?
It'll be up by like 2 days.
Yeah, you're fine.
Everyone shut up. All right. Shut up.
Keep hitting me. I will shoot you.
All right, I'll see you. All right, everyone shut up. All right, shut up. Everyone shut up. Guys, they're already coming. Shut up. Is someone?
Oh, sorry.
Get down. I need someone's help.
Really?
Someone help me.
You just shot me right in the fucking face right now.
We thought you were enemy, dude.
Run, Jordan.
We're gonna save you!
Are you kidding me? This is who's up here. All right.
Dude, we're gonna annihilate up here. We have him sniping with a scope. I have a sniper. Got the shot. I've got his shot.
All right, they're moving. I already see him right side.
Here. Alright, you wanna move?
That was. Oh, shit, they're coming. Start sniping. Just lay down. Everyone lay down. Literally lay down.
Go! Get out of here!
Are we allowed to go down here? Hey, are we allowed to go down here? I can't see you. Hey, what team is he on? Someone give me the sniper. Hey. Oh, wait, hold on. I'll take it.
I dropped my other mag and it's
Here.
Is that guy on ours?
I don't know.
Yeah, my phone's off in the feed. I only got one mag. Is that guy ours?
I don't know. I shot him, but I think he. No, don't. I already shot him.
What?
Don't shoot him. I think he's on our team, guys. Don't shoot him. I'm pretty sure he's. Yeah, he's on our team. Yeah. Because that pistol.
Why did you eat that?
I don't know. Alright, hey, want me to snipe?
Got it.
I think we took all those guys that.
itself?
What?
No, it's a bolt up, pull back, push down.
I think we took out all.
Yeah, in the bus. Can you see
We
him?
took
Look
out
in the
all
bus.
the guys that came.
The bus. Who's that right there?
It's friendly. He is submachine gun.
He's out. Alright. Hey, I'll snipe for you. Hey, come here. Come back here.
He's got it.
Here, hey, you want me?
Who's that on the side?
That's our guy. He's friendly. Hey, here. Here, I got this. Alright, Drake, move out.
Scoot up to that block.
Shh, Drake. Everyone, shh. Hey, where they at?
They're in the bus.
Bus? Alright.
Go around.
No,
Hey,
that's
let's up in the bus.
I think that's friendly. Hey, sorry about that, dude.
No, that's alright. I'm glad you guys missed me.
I was like, oh shoot, because I saw like a long gun. Like, oh, alright.
We're pushing up. This is a good push.
Hey, what we should do is crawl to the bus, hop up in the door.
I know.
Are they dead?
Go around.
Stay, get over here, Drake. Hey, where are they? Hey, is that friendlies in the bus?
Physically grabbed you?
Oh, that's friendly. That's friendlies in there, guys. Hey, friendlies in the bus.
Hey, yeah, let's go back up.
No, we got this. They just pushed right a little bit.
Hey, they're pushing right.
2 guys pushed right.
Yeah, you guys want to move left?
Oh yeah, let's go. Moving left.
Hey, we should go this way.
Moving left.
Where are we going?
Moving left. Are you gonna come with us?
What?
Are you guys coming with us?
Yeah.
All right, we're going left.
Go left.
Wait.
What's over here? What do we got?
We're pushing left.
Alright.
You kept shooting at me. We said you
Hey,
must
I'm
stop.
gonna cross.
I'll come right here.
All right, go. Go.
That's wrong. You don't do that.
Who's shooting that? Clear. We're clear.
Before the game even started, I went in the bus to talk to the guy, walking there point blank, in the nose, shot him. Shoot him in the fucking nose. Watch out. Hey, go!